Hi front-end engineers, welcome to UI/UX Talks. In this JavaScript tutorial series, we are going to see about swap variables in JavaScript. The first approach is changing structure. So this is like swapping the values of the variables without using a third variable. Okay, so we don't need a temp or any other variables for that. So we need to use a array structure that should be in the left side and the right side, and it should be equal. So the values we want, the values we stored in the original order should be in the left side, and the values swapping we wanted should be in the right side. For example, a comma b are the two variables here. So a is holding the value 1 and b is holding the value 2. So now I want b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 2. So I am giving that order in the right side. So b comma a. Now the values will be changed without using the third party variable. The second approach is using temp variable. So here we have two values, a equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, and we have a temp variable here. So how we are swapping the values is like first putting the a value in the temp and putting the b value in the a, and then putting the temp value to the b. So the swapping will be happened here. So now the original value is 1 comma 2 and the changed value is 2 comma 1. This is a traditional approach in swapping values. The third approach is using add and subtract. So we have two values here, a equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So what we are going to do is just adding and subtracting the values and changing the values. So for example, a is equal to a plus b. So the number 3 is stored in a now. Now b is equal to a minus b. So now the a value is 3 and we are minusing b value, so which is 2. So 3 minus 2 will be 1 and that 1 will be stored in the b. So now the b value is changed successfully and now we need to change the a value. Again we are doing a equal to a minus b. So a value is 3 now and b value is 1. So when we are subtracting that we will get 2. So that will be stored in the a value. So now a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. That is how it is changed. The fourth approach is using SAR XOR. So the SAR operator evaluates to true if the operands are different. So here's an explanation of how the swapping works. So A is equal to A SAR B and B is equal to A SAR B. So based on one A is substituted with A SAR B, and thus B is equal to A SAR B SAR B equal to A SAR B SAR B equal to A SAR O, which is equal to A. So that's how B is now remembered for A, and the same we will approach for A again. So A is equal to A or B. So based on 1, A is substituted with A or B, and based on 2, B is substituted with A. So thus A is equal to A or B, and ZAR A equal to B or A or A is equal to B or 0 O, that is equal to B. So that is how A is equal to B now. So if you find the explanation is complicated, so feel free to skip it. So the properties of vue.Js XOR operator is composed in three assignments. Let you swap the values of a and b in the next example. The left side tablet column we are putting one structure for you. So a, b and a XOR b. So first the 0, a is 0 and b is 0. So that is given as 0. If a is 1 and b is 1, that is also 0 because both are equal. So if a is 0 and b is equal to 1, then the stored value is 1. If a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then the stored value is 1. So we will see that one now. So with an example, let a equal to 100 and b equal to 200. So the original values we know now. Okay. So now we are doing a equal to a or b and b is equal to a or b and a equal to a or b. So the values are swapped now. So it is similar kind of approach which we did in the add and subtract approach. The same like approach, only this also the value will be getting swapped here. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment to UI UX Talks Front End Techies.